Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions. That is part 95. I request you guys to check up to part 94. I had already discussed in my playlist. I want you guys to go through, which are very useful for all competitive exams, though they are previous year papers. So don't miss them. They are very useful. So if you miss them, I am very sorry, guys. You have missed a lot. Let us see what exactly we have in a slides. The committee is not a permanent committee of a parliament. That committee is advisory committee of finance ministry. Whatever the finance ministry's advice committee, that is not the permanent committee. That is what exactly it has been mentioned in this point. By whom Mahatma Gandhi was very impressed. We knew that Leo Tolstoy was the one who had impressed Mahatma Gandhi. The earth is a good reflector of heat. Whatever the sun rays which falls on the earth, that is the process by the convection and the radiation. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever the happens, that conduction and radiation process which was happened, convection takes place in the liquid. So here we have the radiation process with which the sun rays comes to the earth and directly it reflects. So we knew that the earth is the one of the good reflector of heat. The white and smooth surface is a bad absorber and good reflector of heat. That is the reason why we wear white clothes during the time of summer, and the smooth surface, whatever it is, that is one type of bad absorber and good reflector, you can tell. So next we have the metal is protected by the layer of its own oxide, that is calcium. So this is the one, calcium is the one which is, the metal is protected by the layer. So that is by applying this calcium layer on the metal, that directly will have less impact. Swachh Rail Mission brand ambassador, prior there used to be Amitabh Bachchan. At present, as you can see, the railway minister nominated Bindeshwar Pathak, who is the Sulabh Sauchalay. We knew that whatever the Sulabh, that is he was the Swachh Rail Mission brand ambassador, Bindeshwar Pathak. As you can see to the right side how exactly he looks like. Jwala Gutta, we knew she is the left-handy badminton player. She is the one of the best player. So she plays badminton. The articles of Indian Constitution is related to with the declaration of the welfare state, that is article 39. So as per this, whatever the articles of Indian Constitution, that is related with the declaration of the welfare state, that is article 39. Next we have the scientists had proven that every planet has elongated path. That is, we knew that Johannes Kepler had formulated the planetary motions. Here the scientist who had proven every planet has elongated path, that is Kepler. The stars look more in west than west because east. We knew that the rotation of the earth takes place from the earth is moving from the west to east. That is the reason maximum stars you can find in the west than east. The part cross the digestion and respiratory pipe, that is esophagus. With this, whatever the food we intake, that directly goes from the mouth to the stomach, that is through the respiratory pipe, that is esophagus. The grains are rich source of starch. Whatever the food grains we have, the maximum rich source of content in that is starch. You can see to the right side how exactly the earth's equator and the rotation and inclination, everything you can directly go through. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can even join on Defense ICTA Telegram. This is one thing you have to join in that. More than 800 plus question papers have been given. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated into various playlists. This is the way I had given for the various competitive exams. Next we have today milk not considered balanced diet because it doesn't contain the iron as well as vitamin C. Vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, which is found maximum in citric fruits but not in milk. So it is not a good balanced diet. We have to intake the vitamin C as well as iron. The author of the book, The Prince, as you can see to the right side how exactly the book The Prince had been written by Niccolo Machiavelli, is the one who had written the book The Prince. The National Sports Day is observed on the 29th August. The National Sports Day is celebrated. India's biggest grid connected solar power plant has been set up at Kolar district. Please remember guys, in this Kolar district, India's biggest grid connected solar power plant had been set up. Next we have Ka Pamlang Nongkrem festival. As you can see to the right side how exactly this festival is celebrated every year. This is celebrated in which place? That is celebrated in Meghalaya. Next we have Wantang Falls is located in Mizoram. We knew that Mizoram's capital is Aizawl. Whatever the waterfalls, that is Wantang Falls, which is located in which place? Mizoram. Mughal Emperor Akbar divided his empire into how many sabhas? During his time, he had divided his emperor into the sabhas, that is 12 sabhas. The award is considered as the alternative Nobel Prize. We knew that Right to Livelihood Award is the one which is an alternative of the Nobel Prize. So this is Right to Livelihood Awards. Next we have the traditionally the first of Nobel Prizes awarded each year is in the field of. Every year the award is provided, among them the maiden award which will be given in the field of medicine and followed by respective fields. The Security Printing Press, as you can see to the right side how exactly it is located in Hyderabad. Pratibhumi Mudralayamu, this is what exactly we pronounce in Telugu, that is Security Printing Press is located in Hyderabad. The first classification of pran, that is respiration, is available in Chandogya Upanishad. In this Upanishad, we knew that there are various Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, from where Satyameva Jayate had been taken. In the same manner, the classification of pran, that is respiration, is available in Chandogya Upanishad. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress was Badruddin Tayyibji, was the first woman who was present as a Indian National Congress Muslim president. She was the first Muslim woman. Next we have the principle was added by Mahavir Swami among the tenets of Jainism, that is non-stealing. Please remember, this is the principle which was added by Mahavir Swami among the tenets of Jainism, that is you should not steal, that is non-stealing. The founder of Harishan Sangh, as you can see, Harishan Sevak Sangh, the founder of Harishan Sevak Sangh is Mahatma Gandhi. The universe is in single atom. Here we can see the universe is in single atom is a book was written by Dalai Lama. So please remember, the universe is in single atom, that a book has been written by Dalai Lama. Zonal councils have been credited by Parliamentary Act. These zonal councils have been credited by the Parliamentary Act. Next we have the first session of All India Trade Union Congress held in Mumbai was presided over by Lala Lajpat Rai. The maiden newspaper published in English language was the Bengal Gazette, is the one which was the first newspaper which was published in English language. The Corbett National Park gets its river from Ramganga River. We knew that whatever the Corbett National Park, that gets its river from Ramganga River. The incident of Chauri Chaura, we knew that the policemen were killed, 21 policemen killed by the mob, and non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by the Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1922 on the 4th February. This is what you have to remember. This is my mobile number guys, you can directly call me or message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS you will be given for a free of cost. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.